Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. आज का टॉपिक है एप्लीकेशन इनवाइटेड फॉर पीएचडी प्रोग्राम ऑफ डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स इन सांची यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ बुद्धिस्ट इंडिक स्टडीज. सांची यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ बुद्धिस्ट इंडिक स्टडीज, डिस्ट्रिक्ट रायसेन, मध्य प्रदेश, यहाँ से पब्लिश हुआ है. एडमिशन नोटिफिकेशन फॉर एकेडमिक सेशन 2021-22. Online applications are invited from eligible candidates for appearing in Sanchi University of Buddhist Indic Studies entrance examinations for admission to the PhD programs for the academic session 2021-22. Serial number 1, subject Buddhist studies, seat capacity 7. 2, Vedic studies, seat capacity 1. 3, Indian education and holistic development, seat capacity 4. Yoga and Ayurveda, seat capacity 3. Indian painting, seat capacity 2. Hindi, seat capacity 3. English, seat capacity 2. Chinese, seat capacity 4. Eligibility, master degree in concerned subject with 55% and उसके साथ 50% for SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy or equivalent grade. Note: preference will be given to students having postgraduate degree with NET JRF in the concerned subject as per UGC guideline. Reservation as per MP government rules, Madhya Pradesh government rules. Eligibility: candidates who have passed the qualifying examination in the relevant subject with the required percentage are eligible to apply for PhD course in Sanchi University of Buddhist Indic Studies. However, candidates appearing in the qualifying examination are also eligible to apply for PhD entrance examination, but he/she has to submit mark sheet of qualifying examination on or before the date of admission. Mode of selection: online exam will be conducted after scrutiny of forms, and selected candidates will appear for group discussion, personal interview based on merit and university rules of admission. Result will be declared. Online application fees: program PhD fees for SC, ST, PH of MP rupees 1,200, fees for others 1,500, fees for foreign students NRI PIO 2,250 only. Important dates: date of announcement notification 15th April 2021. Last date of online application form submissions 15th May 2021. Last date है 15th May 2021. Display of list of eligible candidates for online exam 17th May 2021. Note: foreign NRI PIO sponsored fellowship students are exempted from entrance examination. PhD program is available for part-time candidates also. Submit of application form and appearance in the entrance examination is subject to the fulfillment of eligibility for admission to the program by reference to the admission rules and procedures of Sanchi University of Buddhist Indic Studies available on the official website of the university. Date for exam, group discussion and personal interview will be communicated to eligible candidates. For any further query, information, the candidates shall contact the university on following mails. Email address admission@subis.edu.in. वेबसाइट है www.sanchiuniv.edu.in. ये पब्लिश किया है रजिस्टर ऑफ सांची यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ बुद्धिस्ट इंडिक स्टडीज से. Please subscribe my channel for more information. Thank you so much.